You?
I'm also doing great, and yes, life is
Um,
going on in right
uh,
way.
all right. So you're a doctor, as I can read here.
Yeah, I'm a doctor. Yes,
And in what in what particular field?
like I'm a general practitioner. I'm a MBBS graduate,
Sorry, you are?
general practitioner, medical
Oh,
officer.
general practitioner. Okay,
Yeah,
all right.
MBBS graduate.
All right. And what's your name? I couldn't find it.
Like I have mentioned it, Dr. LK Naik. LK Naik, मतलब Lakshman Kumar Naik.
Oh, that's the full form of LK. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, where are you joining from, Dr. Lakshman?
Yeah, I am joining you from Nuapada, Odisha.
Oh, wow. Oh, okay, that's such a nice, pretty place. I was always thinking of visiting Odisha once, but I couldn't just execute the plan.
Okay, so you're from
I'm from Shimla.
Shimla. Oh, that's a beautiful place.
Yeah.
Definitely, I'm also thinking to visit all northern states like Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, but I'm not getting time, not getting opportunity to visit all those places. But definitely, one day I'll visit there.
Of course, and me too. Yes, I was also thinking the same, but the distance is just too much, so you need to take
Yeah.
out, you need to schedule everything
Yes,
accordingly.
yes, yes.
Yeah, at least need 7 to 8 days minimum.
True.
Yes.
Yeah,
All right. Okay, so are you ready for today's session?
of course, definitely, I'm ready. Yes.
All right. Okay. So our today's topic is about water wonders. And did you
Water.
go through the session notes of today?
Sorry, actually, I didn't get chance to, didn't get time to go through session notes.
Can you speak a little loud? I think there is there is a
Yeah,
temple
some, yes,
beneath my
yes.
house, and yes, there is a Amritwani going on. So
Okay. Like,
yes.
actually, I didn't get some time to go through session notes, so sorry for
It's
that.
all,
Yeah.
it's all right. No, it's totally all right. I was just making sure that you're aware with today's topic. That's it. That's why I was asking. All right.
Okay.
So our today's topic is about water wonders. So have you ever heard of this thing? And thousands have lived without love, not one without water. Do you agree with this?
Could you
Thous-
repeat?
yes. Thousands have lived without love, not one without water.
True.
True.
Yeah,
Yes.
like I'm listening it first time, but it's interesting.
Yes, of course.
Yeah,
People say I will die if I do not get love in my life. But no, sorry, you won't. If you won't get water, you will then definitely.
definitely
Right?
that. Yes. Yeah,
Yes.
true.
Yes. All right. So now, let's imagine. Can you please refer to the session notes once?
Okay.
And on the slide two, there are two images.
Yeah. Two
So
world map.
sorry.
Two image having one is showing water and another is showing desert.
Yes, exactly. What have you ever thought about it? What happens if such a condition comes? What will happen?
If such situation will come, definitely will not exist as human beings, right? Will
Exactly.
acting as living beings. Yeah.
Yes. So thinking of it is just heartbreaking itself, right?
True. Yes.
Yes. All right. So, can you please tell me the importance of water in our daily life?
Of course, like our body is made up of around 78%, if I'm not wrong. 75%
Yes.
of
Yes.
water. Yeah. So how can we imagine our life without water? So it's a
Of course.
precious, precious thing for us to survive.
Yes. That's a vital thing for us to
Yeah,
survive,
that's
of
the
course.
thing. Actually.
Of course. And can you explain it a little more? See, today's session is all about the conversation thing because I want to analyze your speaking skills. That's it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Since I mentioned about its role in our body, like we need without water we can't survive. Like when we feel thirsty, we uh, want water. For
Yes.
everyday activity, we want water. For getting freshen up, for bathing, everything, for cooking, for washing
Of
clothes.
course.
Yeah. So in
Yes.
every activity, we need water.
Yes. Of course.
Yes,
So
yes.
it is a fundamental need that we have. Water is a fundamental need, yes, the
Yes,
essential or the basic need, yes.
yes, yes,
Also,
yes.
in the picture there is one thing that
Mm.
is, the image could be, the first image could be described as lush or blue earth. Lush means it's
Yes.
full of greenery, right?
Hello, green
And the
area.
second image is like it's desolate. Desolate, what do you understand by desolate?
Like isolate.
No, not isolate. Isolate is alag, alag,
Alag.
akela,
Ah,
right? But desolate is your, it's empty and bleak,
DMD.
like
Okay, okay,
empty, right?
okay.
That's the desolate desert, like deserts are there. There
Ah,
is no water,
yes,
there is
yes,
no greenery. Yes. So
yes.
these are some of the words that maybe we can inculcate in our future conversations or future
Mm.
question answers thing. All
Okay,
right.
okay.
Okay. All right. Also, the you can also say that it is a catastrophic thought. And
Hmm.
what do you mean by catastrophic is, it's a disastrous thought,
Yes, yes, yeah.
from going to image 1 to image
Way
2.
two. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Okay, so we are gonna discuss so many different vocabulary words today as well. And
Okay.
I am not definitely expecting that you remember all of them, but maybe one or two that you can use in your
Okay.
daily life. Yes.
Okay. Sure. Sure. Will do.
All right. Mhm. Okay, now it's activity time. So let's decode our entire day right from the time we wake up till we go to the bed, right?
Okay.
So, can you please tell me, when we wake up in our daily routine, where do we need water?
Hmm.
Can you make a
Okay.
list? Yeah.
Whenever we wake up from our bed, first we need glass of water to have it for drinking purpose. Yeah. And after that, when we get freshened up, again we need water, right?
Yes.
When we do brush, bathing, everything, we need water.
Yes.
When we prepare our breakfast, we need water.
Of course.
Yeah. So yes.
Yes.
Uh,
And that's
After
it.
that, we wash our clothes, everything. We need water.
Yes.
We clean our floors, we clean our bathroom. We need water.
Yes. Yes.
In everything, we need water. Without that,
In everything we need water.
life seems impossible. Life is
Of
impossible, not seems. Yeah.
Of course, of course. So one day there is a water shortage. Like for example, in my hometown, that is Shimla,
Hmm.
during the winters, especially during the snowfall, there was always water shortage. So
No.
it's like people get happy to see the snow. Oh my God, it looks so fascinating that there is snowfall and everything. Everything's look white, and everything is covered with that white, but that white snow blanket. But the locals know the actual things. They face actual difficulty, especially water shortage is the main thing that we face the most. And one day there is no water, and we are just like, OMG, this is so difficult. And we do not we waste water like anything. We are not we take for water for granted, I believe. Yes.
Yeah, true, true. And actually, by doing so, we are actually harming our life, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
So,
that's true. Okay.
yeah.
Give Sorry, did you say something?
No.
All right. Okay. Give three most important common activities in which water is wasted.
Hmm. Washing clothes and bathing.
Yes. Okay. And third?
Third, like washing our cars, vehicles. We waste a lot of water there, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So when you wash car with a bucket, you know that this is the particular amount of water that you have to use, because when you're using the buckets, you know the adequate amount, right? But when you
Hmm.
uses the hoses, those pipes
Pipes.
to, yes, the hoses, yes, to wash your car, you just don't remember how much water you used, and you don't
Yeah,
realize how much you wasted, right?
yeah, true, true.
Yes, so yes. So, what do you think could be the solution to the activities you just mentioned?
First of all, awareness is necessary, right? We all know that water is important for us. We all know for plants and trees are important for us, but still we don't care as a human beings to all these things. So
Hmm.
awareness. We all are educated. Still, we lack awareness, the common awareness that we should save water, we should save electricity, we shouldn't cut forest, we should do more plantation. We know everything, but due to just less lack of civic sense, I will say, we waste a lot of waters. So definitely,
So what can be the solution to it?
we'll have to be little bit aware about all these things. Like if I'm using 3 buckets of water to for wedding, then I can use 2 buckets. I can manage there. So in every day-to-day activity, we can save a lot amount of waters. So
Yes.
if everyone can do such things, then definitely we can conserve larger amount of water.
Yes, that's true. Okay,
Yeah.
so Dr. Lakshman, as I can see that you're able to form the sentences nicely. One thing that I feel missing is in your conversation is lack of vocabulary. Right? We know the meaning of words, but we can inculcate. For example, if I say that water is important to us, it's our basic need. Basic instead of basic, I could say it's our fundamental need. Right? Water is important, it's significant part of our life, yes. So basically, what we can do is I started with the we are comfortable using words like important, basic, these
Yeah.
things, right? Or solution. For example, I currently asked you what could be the solution for that. You could have started the sentence like a great remedy to save water could be. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, so what we can do is we can replace the common words with some fancy words that
True.
you are already familiar with. I'm not talking about very fancy words to which are like out of the box words. We don't need those words, but we
True.
can at least use one or two words that we have been reading and on the textbooks, or maybe we have been listening to on movies while watching movies, right? Or series.
Yeah.
So we can just use such words, right?
Okay. Okay.
So we
Definitely.
can try that in at
We
the
can try.
upcoming
Yeah.
conversation.
Definitely. Yeah.
Yes. All
Yeah.
right. Okay, so have you taken any steps to stop wasting water?
Yeah. I've started like since my childhood, like in my mind that yeah, I should conserve water, and
Sorry,
in my
I
daily
just couldn't hear you. Can you please
like
repeat yourself?
since my childhood, I had in my mind that I should conserve water or plants, everything. So accordingly, I also try to conserve water in daily activity. I will say so. Whenever it's required, definitely I use it, or else I try to conserve water.
Yes, yes, yes. To stay resourceful, you do that?
Yeah,
Yes,
I'm
you're
resourceful. I'll say
resourceful.
yeah.
Yes. Okay. So basically, resourceful is finding clever ways to save water. Yes. Or to
Yeah,
overcome basically difficulties in the context of water. That is to save water.
yeah,
All right.
yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. Our next question is mm, how important water is for us?
It's it's very important. I'll say it's a vital thing for our life.
It's
Yes,
a
vital thing. Vital.
vital thing. Yes.
Yeah,
Say vital.
thing for our life. It's like
No,
without
no, no.
water.
I think you pronounced it a little wrong. You
Yeah,
you were saying vital only?
yeah,
Okay. Can you please repeat the word?
vital.
Okay. Okay, vital. All right. Okay, okay. Vital. Okay, so yes, you're from Odisha, so maybe that
Yeah,
accent of mother tongue comes in,
mother
right?
tongue inside. Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
I get it.
Right.
I get it. I get it. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So, now can you please refer to your notes, and there on the slide number 3 there is a paragraph. Can you read that paragraph?
Okay. Okay. Let me try. When any impurities from the surroundings get mixed with the water bodies, the water gets polluted, known as the water pollution. Water pollution is a no, sorry,
Yes,
great
it's a
ban for
pain.
nature as well as humanity. Water pollution degrades the quality of the water in the water bodies. When humans, birds, and animals consume this polluted water, including aquatic animals, it dramatically affects their health. Water gets polluted because Men and women dump domestic waste directly into water bodies. Water gets polluted because many factories dump their wastes, including chemical waste, directly into water bodies. The polluted water, when consumed, causes diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, jaundice, and other diseases. When men and animals bathe in water, it causes water pollution. The quality of drinking water should always be verified from time to time to prevent epidemics. We must take all necessary steps to stop or prevent water pollution.
So is it true?
Yeah, true. Very much true.
Yes. Yes. So there are some of the highlighted words. Can you tell me their meanings? First is impurities.
Impurities, which is not pure, like,
Yes.
yes.
Yes. So basic words there are. Okay,
Yeah.
bane. Like there was this line, it is a great bane for nature.
How did you get the meaning of that bane? I'll say.
Yes, bane is basically curse for nature. Curse
Curse,
for
curse,
nature.
huh.
Curse.
Okay, curse. Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Third is aquatic. You all know, right?
Huh.
Dump is throw. Dump
Throwing.
is
Yeah.
throw. Throwing. Yes. Consumed. That is eaten or drunk. Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Verified. That is authenticated or checked. Maybe. Yes.
Yeah.
And prevent is stop.
To stop it
Yes.
completely.
Epidemic. What is epidemic?
Endemic, epidemic, like something which spreads in larger area.
Yes, yes, that's true. Like, for example, here with me, deadly contagious diseases, and as we are like talking about the water thing, so it could be malaria that is
Huh.
spread
Yes.
through mosquitoes or
Yes.
tuberculosis, right? Some of the things. Oh, you're a doctor yourself. Sorry if I'm
No, no,
wrong
no.
here. Maybe.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So necessary is of course important, and
Important.
important can be said as vital, can be said
Vital.
as significant, right?
Significance. Yeah.
So what we can do is basically that we can inculcate few new words, or
New
we
one.
can replace some older words with the synonyms in our
Okay.
daily conversations, which looks enchanting, which looks very attractive while we speak.
Attractive. Yeah. Definitely. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
because if I use the same old new like old words, it would be fine grammatically, but when I give it a spice, it would look more good. Yes,
Ah.
so we
Yeah.
can. Yes, so we can
Yes.
do it, right? All right, so do you have any questions so far?
No. No. No such questions right now.
Yeah, no, no, not about the topic, not related to the topic, but normally, do you have any questions regarding your communication or anything that you want to ask?
Like, I suffer lots, like vocabulary. I am suffering lot of issues in that. Also, I am bad at grammar. I'll say pronunciation. I have lot of mother tongue influence. So how I will overcome all these challenges?
So you can practice this. For example, today I talked about the word vital. Yes, that
Vital.
was a little confusing because of the mother tongue.
Yeah.
See, my friends are Pahari, so they put in some Pahari accent to the English, and it's totally normal because we are used to it. We adapted the our mother tongue in such a way that we use it daily on daily
Yes.
basis, right? But what
Yes.
we can do is maybe we can pronounce normal, like vital. You can practice. Okay, it's vital. It's not vital because it's vital. Say vital.
Vital.
Yes, see, you did it now because you can do it, so you can practice it. So 5 times, 6 times, and then of course you will be able to speak it in a nice way. So you can, pick on the words that you think you know the pronunciation to it, but you know that your mother tongue is it is
Uh,
mingling in between. So what you can do is you can practice those words. You can
okay.
pick one word a day, or as I told you that you can replace the older words with the new synonyms. How you can
Mm.
do that? By replacing one word each that you use on daily basis, and you can use a fancy synonym to it, and that one word is gonna get 30 words in a month maybe, and you will be knowing 30 different words. And when it's the time of conversation, out of those 30 words, at least 15 would be there, or at least 5 or 6 would be there that you will be able to strike, that would be able to
Mm.
strike you with in between the conversation. Yes, so we can
Yes,
do
yes.
that, like that, and baby steps we can follow, right?
Of course we can. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Anything else?
No, like right now. Okay.
All right, so did you enjoy today's session?
Of course, yes. I
So
enjoyed it a
all
lot.
right, what did you learn today?
Significant. I learned that one cross course.
Bane.
Then yeah, that was
Yes.
learned, and pronunciation like vital,
Yes. Yes.
and synonyms of vital is significant,
Yes.
necessary, all these things.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that's really nice. I know you're a doctor, so you would be a quick learner, of course.
Don't
And
know, but
just
yeah, try and just yeah.
all right. Okay. Also, one more thing to the key to communication is not just speaking. Speaking is just 40% of our our language production. That
Mm,
how we speak, but 60% is communication. 60% of communication is basically our body language. That how we
but,
showcase ourselves, how we present ourselves in front of people. So make sure. See, already as I analyzed, you don't sound robotic. You don't, and you have a good body language, but maybe to make it more descriptive we can
okay.
use our hand gestures. Yes, because your
Yes.
facial expressions are great.
Okay,
Yes,
got
but
it.
hand
Yes.
gestures, try to make it more descriptive, and
Okay.
it boosts your own confidence, and the other person who's sitting next to you will feel more confident that, oh, okay, that person is being more descriptive here. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And how will we use our hand language? Like I'm bad at this. I know. Like how?
Like you're doing it right now, for example, beach may, you might have noticed I have been using my hands. Yes, now through the screen I don't know how much is it visible, but the things I want to put emphasis on, like I put emphasis, so वो हाथ ऐसे करके आया मेरा, that's
Yeah.
emphasis.
Yeah.
So putting emphasis on the important words. Yes.
Okay.
So maybe you
Okay.
can use your hand gestures very freely. It will take a little time in the start or in the beginning, but as time goes on, that will become a natural instinct. Yes.
Okay. Got it. Actually,
Yes.
I was feeling like holding my hand. Like that's why I couldn't.
Sorry.
Like I was sitting like holding my two hands like this, like this. So that's why I wasn't using my hand just for the gesture.
Oh, okay. So when you do it or when you're listening to it, it shows a little nervousness, maybe I can
Under
say.
confidence. Yeah.
When you're I could not see through the screen, right? Because I was just seeing your face, and that seemed to be very confident because it was full of expressions, it was full of gestures. But when I talk about this position, when I'm sitting next to you, and that too in person, that will
Yeah.
show your nervousness. So we don't have to do that, right? This is
Okay.
closed body language and we need to open it, right?
Open. Yeah. True.
Yes, so that no matter if we are making mistakes, at least we are making it confidently, and the other person knows at least we are confident in those things. But
Yeah.
this, if
True.
I'm teaching you like this, okay, so today we will talk about this. So this is such a close body language, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
True.
That's
Yeah.
it for today's session.
Okay. And thank you for this great session, I'll say. And definitely,
Yes.
we'll
All right.
meet up again in different sessions.
Yes,
Yeah.
sure. Have a nice day. Happy learning, Dr. Lakshman. It was really nice having you here.
Okay. Same here. I also